If you're a permanent jewelry artist looking to make money, we have a special announcement for you. This is an emergency meeting. Fellow permanent jewelry artists, the state of the industry is in total crisis. Charms are missing, connectors are gone, trays are empty. My fellow permanent jewelry artists, this cannot continue. Our founders didn't fight for our freedom just so you could run out of gold-filled chain at your next pop-up. Not under my watch, and definitely not in July. This is a call to arms, and wrists, and anklets. Let freedom ring, and your charm tray bling. Linked is here to answer the call. Right now we're doing our biggest supply sale of the year, 50% off chains, charms, supplies, and more. Use code USA50 at checkout while supplies last. So weld with pride, shop with purpose, and may your tray stay full and your calendar even fuller. God bless the USA and your business. Now let me show you some chains. So we have hundreds of styles to choose from, whether it's gold filled, sterling silver. And by the way, if you're not welding stainless steel, or at least jump rings with stainless steel, check this out. You can do really cool stainless steel stuff with different colors. This one will be very popular for 4th of July. And by the way, stainless steel is very, very affordable. You just use a jump ring and it's a great profit margin. But anyways, let's go see if our team is getting ready for the big sale. All right, team, we must make haste. Our customers need their supplies promptly. And what sort of contraption is this?
It's electricity.
Electricity? What kind of witchcraft is that? All right, so I just traded in my horse for this. Now I can deliver supplies much faster. 3 to 5 day shipping guaranteed. Let's go deliver some supplies.